Cheeky Monsters, it's me, Kaya. Want to know how to draw your favourite Cheeky Monster characters? Well, I asked some of our biggest fans to come in and join me with drawing Glitter, Violet, Rocky, Drago and Spike. If you want to learn how to draw them too, then grab your pens and pencils and join in with us.
Cheeky Monsters, na 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 na, we're all Cheeky Monsters.
Hi Cheeky Monsters, it's me Kaya and I'm here with my very good friend. What's your name? Tell everyone.
Florrie.
Florrie! High five, Florrie. And a big Cheeky Monster wave. Cheeky Monster wave. Now, Florrie, I've heard that you have a favourite Cheeky Monster in the whole wide world. Who's that?
Violet.
Violet, and I love Violet too. And why is Violet your favourite Cheeky Monster?
Because I like ballet and she is a ballet dancer and I like her sparkly tiara.
Florrie, today we are going to draw Violet. How does that sound?
Good.
Sound good? Okay, but before we do, we need to shake out our fingers, shake them out, shake out your face. Right, so are you ready to draw? Let's take our pencil out. Now, Violet's head is a little bit like a circle, but kind of a triangle shape. Have you seen a head before? You know what shape it is? Shall I show you? Yeah? Okay, so let's take our pencil. So we're going to draw a big circle like this. Okay, so next we need to draw Violet's big eyes. She's got big eyes, hasn't she? Yeah, big wide eyes. Okay, so we're going to start with the right eye. You are so fast. How did you? I didn't even see you do that. So, will you wait for me? Okay. I wonder who would win out of you and Rocky drawing.
I'm like the third fastest girl in my class.
Are you with running or with drawing?
Running.
Are you actually?
And drawing.
What about at the same time? Ever tried it?
No.
Maybe you should, but just be careful. Violet also needs a... How would Violet eat? What does she need?
Mouth.
A mouth, that's right. So we need to draw a mouth. So let's draw a mouth. So we're going to do a big smiley face in between her eyes. Now, if you're hungry, but you need to... A tongue, yes.
On your tongue, those dots are taste buds and then you can taste if you don't like it or you like it.
Have you been talking to Drago? So should we draw a tongue then? Good thinking. So, perfect. And what else do you need to eat?
Teeth.
Teeth, that's right. Show them your teeth in the camera. Teeth. Okay, so Violet has 2 teeth, okay? And they're little triangles. Something looks a little bit strange here. What are we missing with the eyes?
Eyeballs.
We're missing eyeballs, because otherwise how can you see?
And also she has eyelashes and you do an eye and then another round circle a bit.
That is a really good idea. How about you? Where do the eyelashes go? Do you want to show me? That looks funny, doesn't it? Okay, so we're going to do some eyebrows. So eyebrows are like 2 big arches. Should we draw them? Okay. Oh, what about horns?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, monster horns. How could we forget? Okay, there's one more thing missing.
Tiara.
A tiara. Should we draw that as well? So for this, we're going to do a big loop. Now, you can do any kind of tiara you want, but I'm going to do a big loop like this. So there's something missing to the tiara. There's a shape in the tiara. Do you remember what that is?
It's a star.
It's a star.
It's a star gem.
It is a star gem. Oh, I like that. High five.
And then,
Good stars.
and then I do a circle around it like it's a proper gem.
Hey, do you want to do that? Next thing we need is a black felt tip pen. Okay, do you think we can find that?
Got it.
Me too. Hi, pen. Okay, let's take our pen. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw around her face, but not the tiara, okay? So everything else. So I'm going to start with the horn. Art doesn't have to be perfect. It's whatever you want it to be.
Mine's a bit wonky.
Hey, mine's a bit wonky, but that's okay, isn't it? We can just be wonky together.
I like doing wonky pictures.
Me too. Wonky pictures are the best pictures because it means that your artwork is different to everyone else's.
Because sometimes even humans are a bit wonky sometimes.
Yeah, even me. Like, my hair's all wonky. the next thing we need to do is the tiara. So for this, we need a blue pen. Okay, so you're gonna look for a blue.
Got
Me too, same time. High five. Yeah. Okay, so take the lid off and then we're going to draw our tiara. So we're gonna follow the pencil line, okay? And I'm gonna do my star, if that's okay, but I know you wanted to do yours with a grey pencil. So if I do mine with blue, you can do yours with grey. How does that sound? Sound good?
Yep.
Yeah, okay, let's do that then. We are going to colour in, you can colour in your gem, and also we're going to colour in Violet's face because Violet is, what colour is she?
Purple.
She is purple, which is why she's called Violet. I really, really like colouring. How much do you like colouring on a scale of 1 to a billion? A lot. Out of 1 and a billion, how much?
I think I would do more than a billion.
Me too, I would do like 1,000,000,010.
I would do 1,000,000,100.
Stop it, you like it more than me then. I thought I liked it, but I think you like it more. Okay, so Violet's tongue is a different colour.
It's pinky red.
I think it's a pinky red, I think you're right, but I don't think we have a pinky red. What we do have is pink. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, Florrie, I think I'm finished with mine. So I'm going to rub my hands together like this to say that I'm finished. You can do the same. Are you finished? I'm finished too. And then we're going to hold it up to the camera after 3. Are you ready? Are you going to count with me? From 1 to 3? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Hey, let's have a look at yours. Hello, I'm Violet. Nice to meet you. Hi, cheeky monsters, it's me, Kaya, and I have a friend here with me today. We've got Harry. Big high five, Harry. Now, me and Harry today are going to draw Harry's favourite cheeky monster. And Harry, I know, but our fans don't know. Who is your favourite cheeky monster?
Glitter.
It's glitter. And me and Harry have been practising our glitter wiggle, haven't we? How'd you do it, Harry? You go, oh, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Perfect. High five. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, if you remember Glitter, he's got a big round head. Do you know what he looks like with a big round head? Yeah? Okay, so that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to draw a big round head. So let's take our pencils, give them a wiggle. Here we go. So if you just copy me, so we're going to do a big round head, a bit like this. Let's draw his big eyes. So we're going to do one eye first. You ready? Take your pencil and give it a wiggle. Here we go. So we're going to draw one big eye like this. And then we're going to do another eye. Now, Glitter also has teeth. So we need to add Glitter's teeth. So we take our pencil, and then we're going to draw some teeth. How many teeth have you lost, Harry, so far?
5.
5, that's so many. High five
And
for 5.
one's wobbly.
Have you got any grown-up teeth yet?
Yeah.
You have? They've grown through?
Yeah.
Hey, they look great. Grown-up teeth. Have a full set soon. Okay, so we're going to draw Glitter's nose. So for this, we need 2 little circles. So take your pencil. Now, the last thing we need to add are some, I think they're called spikes, on top of his head. So to do this one's a little bit more complicated. So let's get our pens ready, or pencils. And we're going to draw. So the first thing you need to do is do a big half circle. Okay, now, what we're going to do is all of these pencil lines that we've drawn, we're going to draw around in a black felt tip pen. We're going to take our time, be really slow, really take our time, draw around all the lines, and then inside the eyes, we're going to colour those in with the black pen. Sound good? Right, should we do it? Okay, here we go. How far are you? Are you nearly finished already? I am so behind, I need to catch up. You might have to help me, Harry, finish mine. Right, I think we've finished that part. The next thing we need to do is colour in. So let's take our blue pencil and we're going to colour in all of Glitter's face. Are you ready? But not the eyes, because he hasn't got blue eyes. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, I'm going to see who can do it the fastest. I think it's going to be me, although you are very fast. Do you do a lot of colouring at home?
Yeah.
Have you finished yours? Okay, do you want to help me finish mine then, yeah? Perfect, okay, pencils down, let's wipe our hands like this. Brush, 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 brush to each other. Brush, brush, brush. Well done. Handshake. Very good work. Okay, now we're going to show the camera. Are you ready? So after 3, we're going to lift up our piece of paper and show them. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Oh, there we go. Looking good. Okay, that was really fun, wasn't it, Florrie? I really enjoyed drawing Violet, but I have a cheeky monster challenge for you. Are you ready? I have a challenge for you. Are you up for the challenge?
Yeah.
Feeling challenged already?
Yeah.
The first person to draw Rocky will be the winner. How does that sound? Sound good? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! 1, 2, 3. Bing, bing. Yeah! 1. There we go! Fantastic! Yay! 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Big thumbs up to the camera and a big cheeky wave. Cheeky wave like this. Really low 5. Fantastic. And a big cheeky monster wave to the camera. We did it. Well done. A big cheeky wave like this. Show the camera. We did it. Now we're going to give everyone a big cheeky monster wave to the camera and a big thumbs up and a big high 5. Do a cheeky wave to the camera. Cheeky wave. Thanks for joining us, cheeky monsters, with all of our artistic creations. We're going to go now, but always remember,
Everyone has a cheeky monster. Which one are you? Goodbye. We're all cheeky monsters.
And if you want to join in with more cheeky monster creations after this video, why not subscribe to our My Cheeky Monsters channel?